Okay, we're going to do a little bit more practice with this greatest common factor. Looking at this factor the following expressions, we have 3x squared plus 15x plus 12. Now I'm immediately thinking greatest common factor. Something's up with that because there's a number in front of the x squared. So let's look at all the factors of 3, 15, and 12 and see if we could find a common one. So 3 is 1 and 3. 15 is 1 and 15. 3 and 5. Let's look at 12. 12 is 1 and 12. 2 and 6. And 3 and 4. So obviously each one of them shares a 1. Do they share any other numbers besides 1? So this has a 3, this has a 3, and this has a 3. So 3 is our common factor, and it's the greatest common factor. So I'm going to remove a 3 from each piece here. So when I remove a 3 from the 3x squared, I'm left with 1x squared. But remember, I'm not going to write the 1. When I take out the 3 from the 15x, I'm left with 5 plus 5, and then the x there too. And then when I take the 3 out from the 12, I'm left with 4. So from here, I could go ahead and factor this using math. And I'll be left with 3 times x plus 4, x plus 1. Remember, I want numbers that add to 4 or multiply to 4 but add to 5. So we get the factors of 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. So this would be our final answer here. Let's look at one more. Hopefully I'll have some more space in this one. Again, I'm thinking I have to use the greatest common factor because there's something in front of the x squared. But here we have a negative 18. Ooh. That changed things very much? Not quite, actually. I'm still going to treat it as positive 18. I'm just going to keep in mind that it's really negative. I don't like dealing with negative numbers, but it's just something that we're going to have to deal with. Factors of 18. 1 and 18. 2 and 9. And 3 and 6. 28. Okay, that's a bigger one. 1 and 28. 2 and 14. And then 4 and 7. Okay, what is the greatest common factor amongst each of these? Hopefully you're getting better at kind of noticing that. Usually you could kind of look at this one right here. Obviously all of them are going to have a 1, but as long as you have a number that's greater than 1, you're off to the races here. So 2 is pulled out, and then we have x squared, 1x squared, right? Minus, remember this is going to be minus, so minus 9x, and then plus 14 here. So if I were to factor this using math, right, I want to multiply to 14. I want to add to negative 9, keep part negative there. Your factors are going to be negative 2 and negative 7. So x minus 2, x minus 7. Okay, thank you very much. You're going to get some more practice with this in just a moment.